What's up, everybody? Here's a quick devlog for you. So this week I decided that I was going to take the plunge. It was just time to put up or shut up. So I released to TestFlight TestFlight, in case you don't know what it is, it's the for the iOS Apple platforms where you can send up a application and people can have access to it, but it's not in the store, right? So I put my game up there, my Project Hack game, my idle game. I'll put a link in the show notes. And I decided it was time to put it out there to have some folks, trusted folks that I know, play the game and provide me feedback. And of course, you get very nervous about these things because it doesn't matter how much you love something and how much you think it's great. There's always going to be those nerves when you take it and you send it out to the world, right? Or you get other people to take a look at it. And you fear the worst. It's only natural. Well, thankfully, the people have been very kind. They've offered some feedback on things they like, things they have questions on, potentially some bugs and things like that. Basically, all the kind of feedback that I was looking for. And the important note here is getting that feedback, whether it's good or bad, helps you move forward. Okay, now sometimes the bad feedback can help you move forward a lot better than the good feedback, because you don't really want folks just telling you that's great. You know, it's kind of like that thing when you're a kid and everyone tells you that's fantastic even when it isn't. You need people to tell you the truth, right? Which is why I send my stuff out to people that I trust to tell me honest opinions on it. And that's really the lesson I want to put out here in this log is, yeah, you know, I was nervous about doing it, but it worked out exactly right. And even on my live stream this week, the folks were there, we were talking about it, and it was just great to get the feedback and reaffirm some of the things that I was concerned about, which was firstly, does anyone even care about this? Does anyone even want to play this? Well, the answer, it turns out, is yeah, seems like they do. Great. Have I made some good decisions on some of the things? Turns out, yes, I have. Have I got some things wrong? Yes, I have. And I know what they are, and I know how to fix them. So that's great. And also just general feelings about how the gameplay, the balance, and everything else. So just putting that out here, you know, as you can see on this video, you can see me playing the game to give you an idea of what it's about. You can go to projecthack.net. You'll find it there. There'll be a link to the blog at the moment. And I do have a web playable version. I'll put a link in the show notes. Worth pointing out, on the web version, there is no save. You can't save, right? So if you move away from the web page, you're going to be starting over. And I am planning to expand and to release also the Android version to a wider audience once I have addressed some of the things that initially came up. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Go to peterwiedom.com. There's a contact form. Just tell me. I'll be very, only too happy to add other people to the testing group. So that's really the devlog here. And the lesson learned is, however bad you think it might be, it's probably going to be better than you think. So that's it. That's all I got for you. I will see you in the next one.